In a momentous development that has captured the attention of the global scientific community, researchers have announced a breakthrough in quantum computing, marking a new era in technological capabilities. This announcement centers on a novel error correction technique that paves the way for scalable, fault tolerant quantum machines, a milestone that has been long anticipated and fervently pursued by scientists and technologists alike. This breakthrough involves an innovative algorithm that significantly reduces qubit error rates by over 90% during real time operations, as demonstrated on a 100 qubit prototype processor. This momentous achievement is the result of a collaborative effort by leading international laboratories, which have spent the past year integrating this method. The technique utilizes machine learning to predict and preempt decoherence, the primary challenge that has hindered quantum systems for decades. To fully grasp the magnitude of this development, it's essential to understand the fundamental challenge it addresses. Quantum computers, though promising in their theoretical capabilities, have historically struggled with practical application due to their sensitivity to environmental noise and inherent instability. These systems have been largely confined to short lived computations, limiting their use to mere experimental curiosities. However, with this breakthrough in error correction, the field of quantum computing is poised to transcend these limitations and enter a new phase of viability and utility. The implications of this advancement are profound, with the potential to revolutionize a multitude of fields. Quantum computing offers the promise of exponential speedups for complex problems that would take classical computers millennia to solve. This includes applications in cryptography, where quantum machines could unravel existing encryption standards, posing significant security challenges. In pharmaceuticals, the ability to simulate protein folding at unprecedented scales could drastically reduce drug development timelines, potentially leading to breakthroughs in curing diseases that have long been considered intractable. The pathway to this breakthrough has been paved by years of foundational work dating back to the early 2020s. During this period, companies and research institutions raced to construct larger qubit arrays, only to encounter diminishing returns due to error accumulation. Global investments, driven by geopolitical competition and the race for technological supremacy, accelerated progress in this field. This development represents a synthesis of theoretical physics, advanced artificial intelligence, and nanoscale engineering, culminating in the successful implementation of a prototype that met rigorous benchmarks, including simulations of complex molecular interactions, aligning with real world experimental data. Economically, the mastery of quantum computing technology promises enormous value, potentially worth trillions, through optimized supply chains, financial modeling, and energy grid management. However, these advancements also bring with them significant security concerns. The current encryption standards that underpin global banking and communications could become obsolete, prompting an urgent need for the development and deployment of quantum resistant cryptography. On the geopolitical stage, the early adoption of this technology could dramatically reshape power dynamics. Nations that effectively harness quantum computing stand to gain decisive advantages in areas such as artificial intelligence and defense simulations. Broader societal impacts could include accelerated progress toward innovations in carbon capture and personalized medicine. Nevertheless, these advancements also raise ethical questions about access and equity. There is a real risk that the benefits of quantum computing could be monopolized by wealthy entities, potentially exacerbating global inequalities. Regulatory bodies worldwide are already convening emergency sessions to establish frameworks for the responsible deployment of quantum technologies, recognizing both their transformative potential and the risks they pose. Culturally, this achievement is a testament to human ingenuity, coinciding with global celebrations of creativity and innovation. It underscores the power of international collaboration in overcoming seemingly insurmountable technical challenges, offering a beacon of optimism amid pressing global issues such as climate change and pandemics. As we stand on the cusp of this computational revolution, with prototypes expected to undergo commercial testing in the coming months and full scale systems projected by the end of the decade, it is clear that this quantum leap holds the promise of transforming today's esoteric research into tomorrow's everyday reality. This story, dominating headlines for its blend of immediate feasibility and paradigm shifting potential, serves as a powerful reminder of the incredible strides humanity can make when driven by curiosity, collaboration, and the pursuit of knowledge.